everybody, it's Kim. I'm back again with another one. I'ma refill my minis, my mini hand cream or traveling hand cream. As y'all do see, these are just 1 ounce. I feel like it ain't worth buying these to me. To me, these are not, unless you get them on SAS. If you get them on SAS for like $1, $1.25, somewhere around up in there, yes, they're worth buying. But for the regular price, I think these are like $7.50, $8.50, somewhere around up in there. Regular price is a no for me. When we have so much hand cream, why not just refill them? So I absolutely love Copper Coconut Sands. Love this scent. And I don't want to buy a mini. I don't want to buy a mini because to me it's just a waste of money. So I'm gonna refill these empty containers with this so I can have them while I'm at work. So you got to have a turkey baster, and this is an old turkey baster that comes with the Cajun injection marinade stuff. We have so many of these because we buy a lot of that. So this was new. This is the one that I normally use to refill these things. So let's get started. Yeah, so I'm just gonna fill it up and make sure all of it go to the bottom. So then, since it's kind of sort of full, put this back in there. Also, I'm gonna get close so y'all can see. You see these little holes on, you see these little holes on the needle? You most definitely want to make sure you get those holes all the way in, but you still want to make sure there's a little air coming out. So you don't want to do it all the way like that. If you put it all the way and the hole that's on the bottle is totally covered, then the lotion will come back out. Just make it go all, okay, see, as you see, it is coming out. Open up one of these, push it in, tap it just to make sure. Now this one is done. Very, very easy. Very easy. This one is done. Also, I think you could fill like 8 of these, either 7 or 8 of these with an 8 ounce body cream bottle. Just saying, y'all. So now I'm gonna fill these last 2 up. There. Nothing's wasted, to be honest. Also, to clean this injector, you just use hot water. That's all you need. Just hot water, maybe some soapy water. I just normally use hot water and just clean it and save it for the next time I need to refill these. I'm just giving y'all some little things that I do. I usually do this all the time. So yes, leave in the comments, let me know, do you normally refill your bottles or do you just go and buy new ones? yeah. All right, see y'all in the next one. Go to my playlist to check out some of these videos that I know a lot of y'all haven't watched yet. So go check out some of my older videos and leave comments. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.
Worship